Hey everyone, I made it into Big Lots and look right here, these are kind of cute and they're only $7.50. $7.50. I love this yellow one, I like the pattern, and the striped one is really cute too. Oh, there we go. Look at that light up on the egg for $21. And they do have a few towels here. There are only 3. You only get 1. Home welcome peeps. What is this one? Hello Spring, and there's one more. Looks like the gnome garden is $15.99, so 16. We have the welcome. They always have this one every year. It's gonna be a 20. And look at this large bow. I like the little cotton ball right here. $18. That big bunny tail. Look how cute his little whiskers are. The little wire ones for 22. Okay, here's a gnome. I'm not a fan of gnomes, but I do like the one that says like welcome. And he has the cute bunny ears on it. We have welcome spring. And we have your bunny out of the egg. So the bunny out of the egg is 25. Let me find out how much this guy is right here. He's cute. Yeah, 25. They all might be 25. Nope, they have a little green one. Only $11.99 for him. Okay. Look at her riding her bike. She's really cute. They have some cute garden stuff. There's like a little egg and a little bunny. Those are 4. And then more welcome. Look. They have the gem. It's like eyeballs, bunny ears, kind of like a female mater. You know, because I think of cars. It's only $20. Solar yard stake for $15.99. So right here, these are gonna light up. Okay. They have the bunny. And that's cute as well. Okay, they have this one every year. That is 8. Welcome. $5.99, and you only get 14 and 15 for the tiny trees. Look at this guy with his blue hat and carrot. It says welcome. He is 8. A few more gnomes. Has a little chick on it. These are 8 as well. And that one has a bunny ears. Little butterfly on his nose. You know what? I can never hold a butterfly. Like, I see a lot of videos of people like holding butterflies. I'm like, I can never get one. $5.99. And the banners on top are 12. One is the gnome man. Oh, more Easter. Look at his little dangly legs here. Here's an egg sign. It's gonna light up for 8. Oh, this one's new. Don't remember, this one is quite thick. Look at that bad boy. He is $15.99. And then we have your colorful bunnies. They kind of look like chalk for $4. That says welcome and happy Easter. Okay, and that is 10. Okay, and a few more bunnies down here. Okay, these are 13. You can move their ears. We have the lady and the little boy. This one does, like, you know, I think it does. Yeah, $10. And they have feet in pink. They also have a yellow one. I don't want them to fall over like dominoes. $5.99. And there is a blue one in the back. Okay, and we have your bunny. It's cute. These are 10. Now this is the same one from last year. Yeah. Normally they have one that folds out. They fold out. I think it says like Happy Easter. Oh, this one's 15. And 10. And then we have Hop. Those are 8. $5.99 and 15 for the guy. Riding that truck. Go bunny go. They do have eggs here. $2.99. You get 12 $42 here for 3, $2.99 for 12. So any type. What is this one? Oh, fluffy sand. There's no price on these. The bunny gel, you can also find these in Walmart. $4. Cute little Easter bags are only $1.50. Okay. And these are $9. Cute plates on the chicks we always see. Okay, the flamingo. I want to say this one might be new. Normally we see these bunnies on top. Those are cute, right? These are $14. Little cute bunny ears are $3.50. Here's a tutu one. Look at that. Happy Easter is $15. Also comes in pink. This one has 2 little eggs, $11.99. For $5.99. What is that? Easter egg hunt and $2.99. And then you put the egg in here and it poops it out. Little more plushies are $5.99. These are so cute. One last year smelled like chocolate. I wonder if they're going to bring that one out. It's supposed to say something. And I think there's little children laughing on these. Little felt basket. Look at this. This one's new this year. Those are cute. These are 10. Look how colorful. Oh gosh, they have a cow and a piggy one. I'm gonna have to bring that down. So these are 10. I thought they would like play music or something, like, I don't know, Farmer in the Dell. I don't know. Because the only one they have right now is the dinosaur one. The Snoopy one, I can't get it to work, but he's just gonna like flop around.
Oh, the cow saying my milkshake.
Oh gosh, no. We have the scented Peeps. They're 17. 17 Atalas for them. There's some more cute little bunnies down here. Little boy, little girl one. Here we go. Squeeze me. Peekaboo. Yeah.
Look how soft these rabbits are.
I know, they look really cute. They're so cute. Happy Easter. That's right. Okay. And then behind me, I think is just my Big Lot still has like leftover Christmas, like so much. But that was it for Easter right now. I'm gonna, you know, they're gonna keep stocking and put stuff out. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this quick walkthrough of Big Lots. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. I think, again, I'm not a fan, but I like how there's different options to choose from, or you could just put them all together. So cute. I like these though.
Oh, maybe your baskets. Yeah, look at, I got this for myself. Because it's chocolate.